What up, y'all? Um, I'm gonna post what I got right now. It's about to rain. It's starting to sprinkle now, but I was done with pretty much the upper body part of my workout anyway. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna post this, and it's supposed to rain for a little while and then stop. This is why I can't wait to get my gym up because when it rains, I don't have to. It doesn't matter because I'll be out of the elements or whatever. So I'll be glad to get that done. It's coming quick. I had some hurricane damage, so I had to clean up that wood first, and then because it actually fell right where I was gonna put my gym at. So yeah. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna post this. I did biceps and I did a little bit of chest and push-ups or whatever. Um, but biceps, I'm really just trying to get stronger, I guess. Um, the easy bar had that was 65 pounds. Um, I had a bunch of cheat reps at the end. I don't really like cheat reps, but um, sometimes that's what you got to do to get, close to failure or get to failure. Because um, at the end with those last hammer curls, my biceps are just toast. Um, Same thing with the push-ups. I did as many on my feet as I could. I suck right now with push-ups on my feet. Push-ups on my knees are quite better, but it's no excuse. I should be doing push-ups on my feet, and I should be repping out push-ups on my feet. But it is what it is. I get better because, well, I've gotten better already because, really, to be honest, probably beginning of this year, I probably couldn't do one clean one on my feet. Now I can do a few. I should have warmed up better today. I didn't really warm up much because I knew the rain was coming and just trying to rush. And I didn't really warm my biceps up well either, but it is what it is. I'm burning. I feel the pump. So I haven't been filming all my workouts, of course. I never do. Um, I have been working legs every day though. So that's what I anticipate on coming back out here later to do. Maybe hit triceps and legs. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cut this because my arm's starting to shake because I'm holding the camera up. And so yeah. So yeah. Till next time, me and Storm. We'll see you guys later. I think I wore this shirt the wrong day. I shouldn't have worn Storm today. Maybe if I hadn't have wore her, then it wouldn't be about the rain. But anyway, yeah. Till next time. See you guys later.